And hello, welcome to UND's Weather Update. My name is Stephanie Waldref. Thank you for joining me on Wednesday, September 24th, 2014. Looking at our weather headlines for the next few days, today we are going to be seeing some clouds early in the day, but those clouds are going to be clearing, leaving us with sunnier skies as the sun sets. Temperatures are going to be in the 70s. Then tomorrow, though, those suns are going to be completely out of our area. Lots of sunshine. Highs are even going to be warming up even more for unseasonably warm temperatures in the 80s. Then for our extended outlook, the warm temperatures are going to be continuing, lower 80s and upper 70s throughout the weekend into the weekend. But as the weekend comes around, the winds are going to be picking up and we could see gusts of up to 20 to 30 miles an hour as the weekend comes our way. Looking for Grand Forks, though, today temperatures are going to be topping out in the 70s, a high of 73 degrees, gradual clearing like I was saying before. So we'll be starting out with some clouds, but then as the day goes on, hopefully be seeing some sunshine. Winds from the south at just 10 miles an hour. And looking for tonight, cooling down into the 50s, 55 for the low, mostly clear skies, and winds from the south-southeast at just 5 to 10 miles an hour. And then tomorrow, a beautiful summer day ahead of us, even though it is technically into the fall season. 81 degrees, winds from the south at 5 to 10 miles an hour. For Fargo, it's looking to be about the same story. Today is going to be the cooler of the next 2 days, but still warmer than average. 73 degrees, clearing throughout the day, winds from the south at 10 miles an hour. Then tonight, mild temperatures for overnight temps, 56 degrees, winds from the south-southeast at just 6 to 8 miles an hour. And then tomorrow we will be warming up into the 80s, topping out at 81 degrees, lots of sunshine and winds from the south-southeast at just 6 to 10 miles an hour. Now looking at our satellite, or our almanac, or our satellite and radar for the past 12 hours, you can see here we do have a system that's moving through southern Minnesota, parts of Iowa and Nebraska, but for us here in North Dakota, things are looking pretty quiet, and that's the way they are going to be staying for the next few weeks and into the weekend as well. Almanac for today, 66 degrees for our normal high, so we are well above that. Record low of 41. Our record high was set back in 1997 at 87 degrees, so maybe later on in the week we could be seeing some temperatures that are going to be close or maybe even higher than the record highs. Our record low was set back in 1951 at just 25 degrees, just a little bit over an inch for monthly precipitation. Our sunrise this morning will be at 7:18 and our sunset this evening will be at 7:22. Looking across the highs of the region today, in the west, things are going to be much warmer into the 80s, 85 degrees in Minot, 83 in Bismarck. But then as we move into the Red River Valley and into Minnesota, temperatures are going to be cooler with 60s in Minnesota as they are seeing a little bit of rain. And then lows for tonight going to be pretty mild for this time of year, 50s throughout much of the region. So going to be a pretty nice night. Maybe head out, do some stargazing, enjoy the warm weather while it is around. Our 7-day outlook today is going to be the cooler of the next 2 days. Then tomorrow we are